For those of you who watch this channel, you will most likely be familiar with the Peugeot. If you are new and have no idea what the Peugeot is, then that's fine too, because I'm going to rewind way back at least 10 years and start from the beginning. You see, the story started with a different car altogether. In fact, the first car I ever owned, a black S1 Peugeot 106 XSI. This car was great, but young me wanted to make it greater, and after several years of ownership, I decided to build it into a one-off maxi replica. To cut a very long story short, I never finished the project and sold the rolling shell and all the various parts I had accumulated. Several years later, I lost my passion for cars, and life led me to see more than the four walls of a workshop. Then 2020 happened and I found myself locked down, unable to travel. I needed a challenge to fill my extra time. Tucked away in the back of my mind, I always regretted not finishing the 106 maxi build, and that niggle is what sparked the idea for a redemption project that would later be called the Peugeot. The concept was simple: build another Peugeot, but do it bigger, better, faster, more crazy, and don't stop until it's done. 3 years ago I started work in order to arrive at today, where I get to drive the car up a hill climb. Needless to say, I think the passion for cars is back.
Typical Subaru owners, there's no definitive answer, it's just them arguing really.
I wasn't far off, was I?
Okay. Yeah. Even with...
I said 110. You said 95.
That's what the Peugeots are.
Yeah. Go steady on the locker, yeah. Are you leaving the lock on there?
Yeah.
Why?
No, I ain't lockers.
When you got to do them a lot.
Well, you can leave them and no one's going to pinch your wheel.
Yeah.
You're not a fan, then.
I don't know, and I'd have brought my Audi torque wrench. Very accurate, that is.
We can see a min power of...
Serious conversations going on right now.
Yeah, but you don't use an as much anymore.
No. You're probably right. 4 of them.
You did that with the whole car.
It's like 10 seconds to get back out.
You got to go 8 at 10.
This is my life.
How long did it take you to build this car again, sorry?
3 years to put the lock and wheel. We've got to be careful with that, not to knock that off, haven't we?
I was a bit limited on where it could go, it's in trouble.
Hopefully we'll get this intercom working. Sweet, sweet. At least I put the seatbelt on the right side.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah. How did I manage that?
Skills.
Morning, hello.
What's your name?
Carl.
Hey, how are you? All right?
Yeah.
How'd you get on?
Okay, it's very slippy. Welcome to Scuderia Blend Line. We made it to Prescott Hill Climb, taking Tom out of the car, so hopefully we can keep it on the track.
So you kind of learned the track now.
So yeah, it's like left, right, left.
Yeah, you're right. Slick as isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you reckon that's down to your tyres?
Yeah.
A lot of it?
A lot of it, yeah.
Yeah. Run it on though.
Tyre wise?
Yeah. So like what that bloke's got in that Sunbeam? Yeah.
Like our treble 8Rs or something that's like mostly slick, but
Yeah.
like cut slicks. Yeah.
Aggressive though.
Yeah.
I love it. Brilliant.
It's a bit racing.
Very great. I mean, I think it would be completely different if it was boat dry. I see someone skidded off the edge.
Yeah.
See them 2 tyre marks on that last corner?
That's the scariest corner, I think, because if you go off there,
you're down.
Old bang.
Yeah. That's brilliant though.
Yeah, I'm glad we all got out in it and it's still working now. Like it is what it is, but at least we all got to run.
This and
So when you're hanging upside down, like in the movies, you go.
right. And you're happy?
Yeah, I just wish I could drive it now. You know, it's going to take a while to get the most out.
Yeah, of course it will. Yeah.
How did you find it went?
Track's drying out a bit, but it's still very slick. Have a lot of grip and then no grip. And the hardest part is trying to get the boost at the right time because there's a bit of turbo lag. It's trying to get on the power really, really early and just hope you've figured it, you've timed it right.
Yeah.
Being such a tight and technical hill climb, it's hard to really get to grips with it, but
yeah. It certainly looked good fun.
Yeah, I mean, I was a bit like all over the place with the wheel on that one. So.
No, it sounded really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
Good.
I could go shopping with that.
Let's make sure we're looking all right under here.
That's nice and dry, isn't it?
Yeah?
You've been keeping up. I thought a turbocharger could jack in it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. If you feel how hot that is, and then feel how hot that side is.
Oh yeah.
Not bad. We'll let it cool down a minute and then just dip the oil. Happy days.
It wasn't even forecast this rain. It was not even forecast to happen.
How wet does the air filter look?
Constantly
This wet. Jesus Christ.
Okay. What's up? It's alright.
Ears ringing yet?
27 and 31.
Yeah.
You were in first when you were second.
I went to first.
Yeah, probably best.
But we slid quite a way.
Yeah. Yeah, we did sort of push. I was like, oh.
Yeah. Like get round.
Yeah. Well, we've seen test out this four-wheel drive in a minute. The brakes seem to have improved now with those new pads.
Yeah, no,
That was obviously the issue, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was the front calipers were just constantly seized and they're bleeding, I'm pretty sure.
Mint chocolate chip, please.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You were facing.
You got ice cream.
Cheers. Thank you.
You were shocked at the speed of the service.
Ice cream all over that.
Hold my cone.
Ice cream.
Happy with that?
Yeah, very nice.
How does it compare with, well, we're not going to mention names, but some of the others that you've had in this...
I'd say it's a lot better than the competitors. A lot faster service.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
In and out, really.
In and out service.
Just the way you like it.
Drip them. Easy as that.
Practical. What's he going to do? Jump onto it or what?
As you are, straight.
Job done. Job, girl.
A few weeks have passed since we took the car up the hill at Prescott. It has given me the time to reflect on the fact that I have managed to build the dream car project, and it drives. 6 progressive runs up the hill climb and it didn't miss a beat. There is still so much to learn about the car, and I myself need a lot more practice in order to make the Peugeot reach its potential. As an out-of-the-box first experience, I'm extremely pleased with the way the car drove, and I look forward to making incremental improvements as we move forward with the car.
That's it. Peugeot Festival.
I'd say it's a lot better than the competitors. Not faster service.
In and out service.
Just the way you like it.
Leave the lock on there.
Why?
Oh, fine. You're not factoring that.
Yeah. I guess the looming question is what's next. There has been some small projects brewing in the background for the Blendline team. Is there a new big build on the horizon? This remains to be seen. But what I do know is that fresh ideas are brewing in the birthplace of all good ideas, the pub.